Good morning. Make sure you will vote in the poll that I'm creating right now. All right, here's the poll. Oh, how's the audio? Didn't sound that good right now. Don't forget to like. Pretty sure we're gonna go down here one more time. Or at least to here. And good morning, crypto time. Yeah, I bet they're gonna go down. Test. Mic check. Oh, hey, again, I didn't read the chat. Are you still here? Looks like you are. Good morning. Glad you're enjoying the background music. I was just making a post on my YouTube channel telling people that I'm already alive and trading. Pretty decent price action going on today so far. So if you're in this trade, anyone that's watching, looks like 3 people. I don't want to see price really go back above this fair value gap here, this 15-minute. Really, ideally, don't really want to see it go above like around here. It is tiny. Oh, it's not a fair value gap. Yeah, I don't want to see it really go above here at the bottom of this 1 hour fair value gap. Already pretty good reaction here to the downside. And if you didn't take profits yet, yeah, you should. And then indicator has the last take profit over here. I would already personally take some more off over here and here, these 2 areas here. Seems like when I start speaking, someone stops watching. Anyway. How is everyone doing today? Oh, interesting. Already 4 votes in the poll. Looks like people are bullish. And it looks like someone tuned back in. How are you guys doing today? see, I want to see price down here, like really soon, in about 7 minutes, less than 7 minutes, at 7 a.m. We often have that extra injection of volatility. So I'm thinking, or what I want to see, is price being down here somewhere already, and then take profits, because then I think price will start going back up from this area here. So I want to see price go down a good amount in the next like 6 minutes. Again, you should have taken some profits here if you were in a short. How's the sound? Can everyone hear me? Let me know, people. 24,799 to 24,796 would have been my target if that was sold. It's all can hear you. Alright, thanks. I'm glad you guys can hear me. So 799 to 796 is your target, or would have been your target. Yeah, I do have. So right in between here. Yeah, makes sense. You know, when my last take profit target, I always put it like way far, you know, like the best possible scenario for that trade. So here, I agree with the indicator. That's probably like the best possible scenario for this short here. Definitely take profits here again. Well, it looks like it's consolidating here. So about 3 minutes until 7. Let's see when the 60 minutes will close. Yep. That's gonna be something to look at. Well, I'm guessing it'll close somewhere over here. And then I'm hoping that by the latest, like about 10 minutes after 7, we'll get close to this take profit here. Yeah, but I already took some profits, so looks like it's going back up right now. And we do have a small volume imbalance here. Price likes to come back to these small gaps or volume imbalances, as some might call it. All right, one more minute until 7. And with that extra volatility, I'm hoping it's gonna give us like a quick movement down. And then guys, it's profit taking time if you haven't yet. If you're short. Always could pump and take out this trade, but most things that I'm looking at is telling me it should go down, but oh, there we go, a pump up. Well, no, it looks like it wants to go back up. Unless it's just going for the literal stop losses, and then it's gonna go down. You missed this one? Well, looks like you didn't miss too much. I took a short at London, just before London opened, close to this area. Or what's that? Yeah, it was right from here. All right, well, for everyone who took profits, as they should, this should be already a winning trade, even if it's going to get stopped out now. The setup I mentioned yesterday at the 15-minute. Yeah, let's look at the 15 here. Yeah, I really like the 15-minute. you see more detail than on the 1 hour, but still not too small of a time frame. Okay, so I went to midnight here so far. See, now according to volume, it's gonna have a harder time going up, but I always could keep on going. Well, I don't know. I won't consider this a nice trade because if it would have went up to like somewhere here at least, then yeah, okay, nice trade, I guess. But like this, no, no likey. The audio cut out again. Yeah, look at this 1 hour fair value gap. Nice. Interesting point to go down. Yeah. Not yet. I guess you're right. Not yet. It's still going up. Trying to find out what was here that it made price go up like that. Is this order block here? I guess. All right, a lot more resistance here right now. There was a nice 60-minute candle, in my opinion. Oh, no, I see it. You mean like these ones, the lows? Yeah, sometimes I will not see everything. Midnight. All right. Well, now I know. I won't trade now, but it's called me to. It's called me to sell. Yeah. Yeah, this would have been the spot to sell here. And yeah, basically almost exactly the midpoint here between these two lines. Trying to respect my rules, which are really hard to keep. Yeah, that's trying to stick to your rules. That's sometimes really hard. I know. Yes, yeah. Right now, it's like I'm not going to short here. Like, where's price going to go? Like, yeah, I could go through here, maybe through a lot of volume here, and then yeah, I could probably go back down here. But what is your preferred food? Oh, my preferred food here. Oh, wow, it's a lot of food, man. I mean, I like. I mean, what do I not like? Like their barbecue, their steak is great. Like the fish is great too. Yeah, I mean, I like anything grilled, barbecued, the grilled fish and barbecued meat. Um, sea bass. Yeah, I mean, my favorite is salmon. I know it's very like a lot of people just like salmon, but I can see why. How about you? Oh, perfect. Huh. Again today, no big news this week. We really barely have any news. I think Trump is supposed to speak, but at that time he will be already sleeping. Like the sea bass in Portugal, the one they cook with dough or sea salt. Oh yeah, yeah, I like the one with the bread or dough around it. I like that too, yeah. Alright, so let's see here. Respected this 1 hour for value gap here so far. Yeah, if we get above here, like probably this 1 hour for value gap, then looks like it's gonna just, that will be pretty bullish. Looks like it's gonna just go up a lot, but we'll be here, I guess, in this range until probably until the open. It is still a possibility though. We could lose like this area here, this level, and then dump down according to my original trade that I had going. That only partially worked out, but still okay. I know though the Brazilian barbecue, that's really good. So, oh, mic check. It sounded like to me on my end here, it cut out. Anyway, what I was going to say is we still have, this is the regular trading hours close from yesterday. So, usually price likes to come back there, like yesterday for the open. So let's not forget about this one here. People keep voting in the poll. Everyone is really bullish. Okay. So if everyone is really bullish, then makes me want to be bearish. And the indicator here is saying upcoming trade idea is a long, but not now. That's way below there. $718. Oh, that's way down there. I'm not gonna worry about that one right now. Can keep that in mind. Probably closer to the open. Interesting. I had like 5 people watching a few minutes ago. Now back down to 2. Like, what did I say in the last like 5 or 10 minutes that people didn't like? Maybe the mic was cutting out or something. I hope people can read this right. like the signal from the indicator. It doesn't say go long now. Who's gonna go long over here? Well, those breakout traders. Oh, it's bullish, bullish. Let's go long here. It clearly says the entry, right? Anyway, I hope people can read. I don't know. Maybe if this 15-minute candle closes below here, I don't know. To me, that would feel like I'm taking a short. It's kind of late, too late, like chasing price. If it would come back up, like to midnight open, that might make sense to take a short. From here, 76. Well, you got at least 20 points to down here. Well, at this point, maybe, yeah, I want to wait. Maybe it's going to come back down here somewhere. And then looking for a quick long scalp. Still, I'm tempted to try another short here somewhere soon, but and then maybe stop loss of this 15-minute fair value gap. I want to see price get back below here. From here, 835, still a decent trade down to here. But let's wait. I'm not gonna FOMO No FOMO. No FOMO traders here. All right, let's see. It's coming back down. It would have been nice short, almost close to my manager. Yeah, definitely would have been a very nice short. Five votes on the poll in the chat. Keep on voting, or I should say vote if you haven't voted yet. If you just tuned in. What would really suck if it's just gonna chop around here until the open, because I'm not gonna take a trade in this range here. But if it were to do that until the open, then I would try a short again because of this RTH opening trade model. And say 850 to 780. 70 points, but halfway that's only like 35 points. Well, yeah, if price goes back up to here somewhere before the open, that would be a real nice short to try. And then target would be down here around 780, or at least right the 50% between here and here. Well, this is if the price will be up here somewhere right before the open. Then I will definitely try a short. What also could happen though is that it won't go down, it's just gonna rip up here. let's see. I'm pretty bored right now, so let's take a look at the daily here. Okay, so the indicator is showing like swing trades here, so that's nothing for us. Do you think the daily candle should go up? Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out right now. I don't know. After the open, we're gonna get like a better clue. Of course, we're trying to figure out what's gonna happen before. Well, we have these relative equal highs here, like 128. I don't know. Still kind of leaning more to the bearish side, but this could make an inside candle here. But we still have plenty of time before this candle will close. What is the alpha key? That's the thing I want to show you. Sometimes when you have some time, maybe like, I don't know, I don't think it will take too long, like 30 minutes or something like that. So let me know. I don't know, maybe tonight if you want. I don't know what I'm doing still yet. But yeah, let me know. You can just send me a message on this Discord whenever. Because that one time, I just didn't see it. If I would have seen it, yeah, we could have. I could have already showed you at that time. Sure, no problem. We have this gap here, or volume imbalance. I don't know. I'm still rather leaning to the bearish side. So yesterday, I was waiting for the price to come down here, but it didn't. I was going to take a long from here, from this weekly gap. Missed it again, just by a few points. It went up like 200 points yesterday, PM, in the PM session. Yeah, I don't know. I am leaning bearish. Because this candle right now, obviously, it can still, it can end up closing up, over here, and it could close down here. Yeah, I know it's pretty obvious, I know, but weekly you're more bearish. Yeah. There is this gap here. Oh, it's really far back. This contract might not be accurate for going back that far. Yeah, looks bearish to me too. Looks like it wants to come down, back down here somewhere, or lower. So yeah, let's look at the 4 hour here. Sometimes I like the 4 hour. Oh my god, what a mess. Sometimes I like the 4 hour better than the daily or weekly. The 4 hour here, we could say, okay, it took liquidity above here when it went up earlier, a few minutes ago. 796. Really like that. 796. Ah, I see. So, according to smart money concepts, took the above liquidity here. There might be a small gap here, volume imbalance. I don't know. Yeah, very small one. So now, technically, it should want to go down to here, take the liquidity from here, but I don't know. We'll know more after the open. $15 again, back here to the 15. Yeah, I'm still thinking. Look at these lows here. Still thinking it wants to go down here, but might not happen until after the open. $24,820. Oh yeah. Well, yeah, but I mean, well, it's very close. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Once we lost this level here. Yeah, there would have been a chance to maybe, yeah, try short from here. There it goes. Yeah, it did go like a rocket at 7. And went pretty far, because I think it was like somewhere here. Yeah, something like that. Let's see the 1 minute. Oh yeah. 1 minute looking bearish now. Yeah, I had these two levels here on the 1 hour. I really didn't think it's gonna go up there like at 7 or around 7. Really thought it's gonna go down first and then up, but went up first and then down. Okay, now we're getting close to where I might look at a long scalp. Should come back down to here. This little bottom and bounce here. So 772. Might make its way down here. You know, maybe until around 8:30-ish, maybe. Then I would try along here. Took this low here at this time 350. So now oh yeah, this 800 level here. Now is it gonna try to take this liquidity here, like right now? these equal highs here. 854. Let's see. We'll just wait. If it goes down here, I'll take a long. If it goes up here, I'll take a short. So just wait. As they say, let price come to you. 24,772 is cool. Yeah, I think so. And then you still have some room here to put your stop loss. Maybe somewhere around here. I just won my RTH trade at the open, but if it's gonna be here at the open, then there is no RTH trade. So, okay, looks like maybe it wants to keep on coming down. What would be really awesome is if it comes back down here around 8:30 and take a long, and then before the open, price would be back somewhere around here maybe, and then try a short for it to come back down again. That would be nice, but I have no idea if NQ wants to give us these trades. For all the people that are watching right now, that might have been watching yesterday too, I did have too much stuff on my chart. I'll admit that. I mean, this is probably like already way too much for most people. But really, it's like a few fair value gaps and some other lines. Let's go 772. Let's go. All right. I think I'll add a limit buy, limit order. Must pass, well, definitely. Yeah. We saw earlier here, it gave this reaction from around 800, maybe a little bit below. Come on, bro. Don't chop around. Okay, 750, almost 751. $7:51 a.m. in a mountain, blah 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 blah. In a macro window here. Well, that's fine if it wants to not come down. Because then we know here we'll have two lows, and then later it should come back down to take up those lows. Talk to you later. Okay, see you later, bro. Maybe. Oh, this is already at 1. Maybe I should start a poll asking people if they want less stuff on my chart. So who is still here? Who is still watching? Let me know in the chat. Is Ryan, are you still watching, or again watching? I know you were here yesterday. All right, so looks like it's gonna go for this here first. That's fine. I want my RTH trade for the open. Or let me know in the chat what time frame do you want to see, 1 minute or 15 minute? I will leave the 1 hour on this side here. So let me know what you want to see on this side, on the left side. I'll take a look at the 15-minute right now. Let's go. All right, just waiting for this chop to end. I'm gonna try a short from here or a long from around here. 772, 73, around here somewhere. but it's kind of just chopping around here. Man. ICT streaming, huh? Well, then who is gonna watch me? Vote in the poll, guys, and you know the rest. Like and subscribe, please. All right, let's see here. We have a small volume imbalance here, 840. Let's look at the 1 minute real quick. Don't get scared, guys. Okay, well, it's showing us short here. I said 842, I think was the volume imbalance on the 15 minute. And we have these equal highs here on the 1 minute. It looks like, yeah, small volume imbalance. So me personally, I would wait for price to come back up somewhere around here and then try short. Actually, I'm waiting for that myself. And then, well, you have a small volume, volume imbalance up here. And looks like that's this week here on the 1 hour, on this 1 hour candle. And we have this one here too. So if you want to try to short that the indicator is showing here, I don't know. I'm not gonna try it. I think it wants to go up a little bit higher, at least to around here. And then, as I mentioned, might want to come up even to around here. So just be patient. Be patient. Always be patient. Can't trade being impatient. Yeah, about 5 minutes right now, 5 minutes after 8, almost right now. So wait till around 8:30. And if around 8:30-ish, price is somewhere here, I'll try short. If around 8:30, price is somewhere here, I'll try long. No reason right now to get chopped up. Back to the 15-minute here. Yep, we see it did come. Price came up to this volume imbalance. So going short here was not like a terrible trade, but still think price might come back up to here or like these highs here. And then look at this, we have a volume imbalance over here. So we'll definitely wait for price to come back to at least around here. All we have to do now is wait, but isn't that sometimes the most difficult thing to do, especially when we're trading? Write something nice in the chat. Let me know how you're doing or what trades you took earlier today. And really would like to see price be back up around here somewhere, like right before the open, and then I'll try a short. Target would be, well, probably this TH open, or maybe even this low here. So as you see, price doesn't want to go back down yet here. Chopping, yeah, getting kind of choppy here. Just wait. No FOMO. No FOMO, bro. Bro, this is making me sleepy. Alright, I'll put on some different music. Let's see what Mr. Huddleston has to say. Let's see. Oh. He's not streaming anymore. Okay. Ah. That was a live trade. Okay. Price keeps on shopping around. Let me know, guys. Let me know in the chat. What do you want to see? You want to see the 1 minute on this side here, or the 15-minute, which is up right now? Let me know in the chat. Or let me know if you want to look at a different asset. Because right now, we're just waiting. 8:14 right now. So we got like 10-15 minutes until 8:30. There's no high impact news, but even without it, very often we'll see a little bit more volatility around 8:30, even without news sometimes. So if you just tuned in, I mentioned earlier, I'm I'm looking for shorts around here and here, so this area here, and longs around here. So we're just waiting. I don't want to take a trade like right here in the middle. See more votes here on the poll. 67% bullish, 33% bearish. If you guys won't tell me, I'll just leave the chart here on the 15-minute. It's pretty much probably my favorite time frame. Here the volume on the 1 hour, suggesting there's less resistance going down. But I want to wait for price to come back up over here. Could keep on going to like around here. This 1 hour for rally gap, probably good kind of like line in the sand. So let me know guys what you want to see on the chart. Because around 8:30 I'm gonna look for a possible trade. It looks like it wants to come back up to here. And maybe if you weren't here before, I'll show you the 1 minute chart. So I'm thinking it might want to come to at least like over here. At least try to take these lows. There we go. Little pump here. But then it could come to this volume imbalance up here or here. And you see on the 1 hour here, we have these two relative equal highs. Yeah, so I don't want to try a short without it coming to at least somewhere into this area here. So back to the 15-minute. I'm trying to not have too much stuff on my chart for you guys. I only have like 3 types of things on my chart here, basically, right? Fair value gaps, and blue, the RTH levels, yellow, these green lines and gray lines as just some secret sauce supporting the resistance lines. Same with this one here. And then midnight open. So shouldn't be too confusing. Oh, can you guys hear me? Or is the sound cutting out? If price can get back up above here, then it's pretty much almost guaranteed that it'll take where these two, it will come up to these 2 wicks. It already did take the highs here, but there are some volume imbalances. Here and here. Sorry if you've already been here and I keep repeating myself, but I don't know when everyone tuned in. And right now, I have nothing really else better to do while we're waiting here. And almost 8:25 a.m. Looks like it's going for these highs, and I'm probably most likely to here, and then here maybe as well. Yep. There we go. So let's see how high it wants to go. And I'm gonna get ready here. You take a possible short. Okay, so took this liquidity here. Let's see. This candle here might have been already the best entry. Give it. God, why is it cutting out? I'm gonna give it like a couple of minutes. But yeah, this might have been your best entry here already. Maybe. I just don't want to FOMO in here somewhere and the price goes back up to here, because that's like what, 845, yeah, like 20 points. So I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes here. It's like 8:27 right now. Let's see. You could actually, I'm gonna put a limit order here, 864, and then here, yeah, almost 10 points higher. But yeah, I'll give it a try here, maybe. 864. Okay, let's see. I'll add it. Actually, I'll put it here at 862. Yeah, because there's a small fair value gap here. All right, right below 862. Mic check. Ah. All right, come on. Let's go. Come on. And almost there. Come on. Ah. Okay. So let's see. Now hit that volume imbalance. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. You know you want to keep on going down. Would like to see some volatility come in here. Kind of. We're seeing something here. All right, I mean, I'm already in the green here. I want to see it go below this 1 hour fair value gap. But yeah, I want to see a little bit more volatility here. Come on. No, I don't want to see chop here. Come on. Let's go NQ. Just leaving again a small volume imbalance over here if it closes like, well, no. All right, that's it. Come on, back down. Nope. All right. So it's left this tiny volume imbalance. It might leave another one here, but still plenty of time for this candle. I won't be too shocked if it's gonna come back up here. So gotta count on that. We'd like to see some candle bodies close below the CE here, the midpoint here. Looks kind of choppy. It really wants to come back down here. It really does. Come on, in Q. Look at all this nice liquidity here. You know you want to come back down. Let's go. Close below here. Let's go. Come on. Come back down to here. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Okay, well, very small part of the body closed below, but to me that's not good enough. Did see chop right now over here. Come on, close below here. You can do it. Let's go. You know you want to come back down. Okay, technically, yeah. All right, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, right on time. Look at this 1 minute candle. It's exactly the 8:30 candle. Come on now. I don't want to sit and chop here until he opened. Let's go. I want to see some bigger candles here. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna take some profits here. And at this point, you might even want to bring your stop loss to break even. Let's go. once it goes below here, should just keep going down. We're gonna come back to fill this volume imbalance here. Yep. And there's this one here also. Okay, I don't like this candle, so let's see how it will close, which, yeah. Nah, don't like this candle. That's why you always take some partials. Because for me, it's already a winning trade. All right, well, I'm gonna leave. No, not here. I'm gonna leave a runner. But it looks like it's gonna get stopped out. Right. Well, the good news is we'll probably have another chance for another short. I close the trade here. Still a winner. It is still a winning trade. Because why? Because I took profits down here when I said it. Yeah, not a big trade, not a great trade, but still a winning trade. Just have to give it a try. Alright, so I did come back up here to midnight open. At this point, I'm just waiting now a few minutes before the open, and if price is still somewhere in this area here, I will try another short. I mean, look at all of this. You have these unequal lows, relative equal lows. You know the open is going to take these, even if after it will just pump. But that would be still a pretty good trade. Call it 800, and you take a short from somewhere in here. It's a good trade. All right, so the indicator here showing us giving us a short signal. Yeah, makes sense here again. But at this point, I will just wait. I will wait until a few minutes before the open. Yeah, it wants to keep on going higher. Well, that's a huge stop loss. Where is the other take profit down here? Well, if it gets to around here, let's look at the 15-minute. Okay. So came back up. Yep, to this side here. Yeah, I want to see it come back up to somewhere here or here again, like right before the open, and then tight stop loss and try a short again. Still some time left for this 15 minute to close, but so far it's leaving a small imbalance here. Again, it's got over 8 minutes still to close. So more waiting. All right, pumping back up here a little bit. All right, looks like you're back. Will it pass the 24,886? Well, Well, it did a few minutes ago. Or is the chat already? Oh, you mean will the 1 hour close above it? Yeah, well, we're gonna find out in just a little bit more than 3 minutes. I don't know, I was just gonna say I don't want to see it go above here, 909. Let me look at the 1 minute again. Okay, less than 1 minute until 9 a.m. If you just tuned in, wait a little bit longer. If you just tuned in, yeah, wait a little bit more. I won't take any trades right now. I'm somehow thinking that the market will open bearish. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. But I want to wait like a few minutes before we open. And if it's still somewhere around here, then yeah, definitely I want to take a short 865 as a possible scalp. Yeah. Well, I mean, if I would have wanted to take a short, I would have took it from here, this 886. See, now I wouldn't take a short here. Sure, it can come down. To me, it's God, why is this cutting out here? For me, yeah, double tops here, if you will. For me, yeah, I want it to go down and then up, and then, you know, I want to take the retest. Does this look bearish to me? Yeah, it does. I want to see, I'm priced to get, honestly, somewhere back up close to this high, close to the open, and then tight stop loss, and try to short. This is looking good now for the open RTH trade model. If you're going short here, you might as well hold to over here. And it looks like it is coming down. Yep. Coming down now. Yeah, if you're short, try to hold or take profit around here. I'll delete this small fair value gap because we already have these levels here, and just to try to keep my chart clean. I don't want it to come down here before the open, because then my RTH open trade pretty much canceled. Okay, so it did come down to here. And this was, I think, yeah, almost. Supply and demand zone. Really gonna suck if it's gonna take this before the open. All right, the indicator showing another trade, but I will not take it. Actually, I'm gonna turn it off for right now. Ugh. Oh man, come on. It's gonna take all of this right now. Oh my God. Well then, if it does, then I'm gonna look at longs from here at the open. I don't know. Something tells me the open might be kind of choppy, which it has been recently, actually very often. Well, this sucks. There goes my RTH trade idea for the open. Just about. So probably gonna take at least these lows and maybe even these ones here. These ones here on 1 hour. There's more here, obviously, but don't know if it's gonna come down again there. Less than 10 minutes. Gonna get some coffee real quick before the open. I'll be right back. Hello. I am back, or now, again. Well, it took all of this already, so there goes my trade plan. Took these lows, and now what? Totally like front ran me. I got front run. Sucks. Took these lows here now too. If it doesn't reverse here now, then it's pretty bearish. Or at least it's gonna take like yeah, if it doesn't reverse from here, should try to take out these lows now. Man, I had a nice trade plan. I just got front ran. Sucks. Now, fighting FOMO again. Yeah. Well, maybe it's just gonna take these lows here And then long, I don't know. Didn't come down. There's a small excuse me. There's a small volume imbalance here. Let's see if we'll hit that. I mean, this point, I am expecting it to take at least these two lows here. Pretty much the same on the 1 hour here too. Unless there is enough volume here to stop it, but I don't think so. I don't know. Well, here we go. Man, I got into that short too early. Could have been real nice. Let's see here. Order block here, right? Maybe now I'll wait, see if it's gonna come down to here. I waited yesterday and it didn't. Doesn't mean I will today either. Okay, looks like $100-point bounce here. Okay, well, that was it, I'm guessing. Didn't even take these lows. Okay. Now back above here. Wow. I bet a ton of people got wrecked. This point, I might wait for lunch or PM sesh. Yeah. I want to wait for it to leave this area here, this range. Back above 913 here, or maybe back below 761. Because this is gonna look like it's gonna be a mess. Yep. All right, guys. I think I will end this stream here. Maybe I'll be back for a PM session. Live stream. All right, heading higher here. Wait. All right, well, we'll see what it does. Until then, I'll be peacing out. Later, people.